Awesome. This is awesome, guys. This is my garden, my Texas backyard garden, where I planted different vegetables. Planted different vegetables that we eat back home in Africa, guys. So yes. So here you can find different vegetables, like ugu, scent leaf, we call it nchang, bitter leaf. You can find okra, you can find garden eggplants, you can find pepper, you can find cassava, you can find, name them, guys. A lot of vegetables. Vegetable is life, green is life, guys. So if you have not been doing green, please start today to go green, guys. Start today to go green. Green is life. Start today to go green. All right? Because if you go green, you're not gonna visit hospital a lot. You're not gonna be visiting hospital now and then, guys. Okay? Yes. It's not that it's gonna cure everything, but at least it's gonna boost your immunity. It's gonna boost your immunity, guys. Okay? You still need your doctor's medical attention, but when you go green, like eating vegetables and all that, very fresh, okay, that will help a lot to boost your immunity. All those antioxidants that your body needs, all those minerals that your body needs, you're gonna find them fresh in your vegetables. When you consume lots of vegetable, guys, you're gonna know a lot of benefit, a lot of gain. Yes. Yeah. So even your body gonna be fresher than ever. So guys, try it if you have not been, eating vegetable a lot. If you are not the type that if you are the type that doesn't like to chew vegetables like that, then you can make it smoothie. All right? Yeah, you can make some of it smoothie. You make it smoothie, add to your meal and drink it. Yeah, it's gonna be nourishing your body, your skin. You do your okra water and so on. All those things are natural remedy.
Spicy, they make you leap. Green on green, it's a jungle of life. Fresh vegetable sharper than the knife. Bend down low, pick them right. Goes his hands, they bring delight. Goes his garden, oh so fresh. Every bite of flavor fresh. Garden eggs and pepper sweat. In her backyard, we'll stay all day. Has its own sweet story. Rosie's garden is pure glory. Goes backyard whispers, life so green. Ugu leaves are swaying like I never been seen. Tomatoes blushing red under the sunbeam. Garden eggs pop like a secret in the soil. Sands leaves dead. Gozy backyard is a treasure chest. Ugu leaves dancing, they're the best. Tomatoes ripe, they glow like the sun. Scents leaves whisper, the feast has begun. Gozy's garden, oh so fresh. Every bite a flavor fresh. Garden eggs and peppers sway. In a backyard, stay all day. The soil arms a song. Roots dig deep, pepper spicy, they make you leap. Green on green, it's a jungle of life. Fresh vegetable sharper than a knife. Bend down low, pick them right. The Gozy's hands, they bring delight. Gozy's garden, oh so fresh.